DJI Lito X1 isn't just a rumor anymore. It is a reality that is about to rewrite the rules for every creator on the planet. If you think you know what a compact drone can do, clear your mind. Forget the limitations of the mini-series. Forget the compromises of the Neo. What DJI has done here is a technical miracle. We are looking at a machine that weighs less than 249 grams, yet it packs the punch of a professional cinema rig. The latest leaks have sent shockwaves through the industry. We've seen the retail boxes. We've seen the beta unit stickers. We've seen the actual hardware sitting on production tables. The most insane part? The O5 transmission system. We're talking about a 20-kilometer range. That's over 12 miles of crystal clear, low-latency video feed. Imagine being in the heart of a city or deep in a canyon and never seeing a single stutter on your screen. That's the power of the SDR transceiver technology, DJI, just stuffed into this tiny frame. But it gets deeper. The Lito X1 is the first in its weight class to feature 360-degree omnidirectional obstacle avoidance using a combination of fisheye lenses and a LiDAR-like sensor. For the first time ever, you can fly a sub-250-gram drone through a dense forest with the confidence of a pro pilot. It doesn't just see the trees, it maps them in real time. For the creators, listen closely. We're looking at a massive internal storage upgrade, up to 42 gigabytes. No more SD card full, messages right when the light hits the horizon perfectly. Pair that with a 50-minute flight time on the Plus battery variant, and you have a drone that stays in the air longer than almost anything else in the consumer market. This isn't just another product launch, it's a pivot point. With the potential US import restrictions looming, DJI has moved mountains to get the Lito X1 certified and ready. They knew they had to create something so good, so undeniable, that would become the gold standard before the gates even had a chance to close. Whether you're a hobbyist looking for your first real drone or a professional who needs a stealth B-cam, the Lito X1 is the answer. The orange-tipped propellers, the sleek, modular arm design, the integration with the DJI RC2, it's all pointing toward a launch happening much sooner than you think. Late April 2026 is the date everyone is circling. The question isn't whether you need this drone. The question is, what are you going to film first when you finally get your hands on the most powerful, portable, and rule-breaking piece of technology DJI has ever conceived? The sky isn't the limit anymore. It's just the beginning. The Lito X1 is about to take off, and you do not want to be left on the ground. Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff, the wind whipping past you, and you realize the shot you've been dreaming of for years is finally possible. Not with a massive rig, but with something that fits in your jacket pocket. For months, the drone world has been holding its breath, whispered rumors turning into frantic searches for FCC filings. But today, the game has officially changed. Current leaks paint a picture of a two-tier launch. The Lito 1 appears positioned as the spiritual successor to the Mini 4K, offering a budget-friendly entry point with a generous 22 gigabytes of internal storage. It's estimated to have a starting price of about $330 US. The Lito X1, however, is the wild card. With 42 gigabytes of storage and rumored pro features like LiDAR-assisted 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, it blurs the line between entry-level and professional. The theory is that it would be priced for $429 more at $759 US. It sounds like DJI may be planning to replace the Mini 5 Pro entirely, unless the X1 is simply intended to be a Mini 4K Pro. Here is where the speculation really gets exciting. Deep dives into the FCC documentation suggest the Lito series may debut DJI's next-gen O5 transmission system. Unlike the O4 system found in the Mini 4 Pro, O5 is rumored to utilize SDR, software-defined radio, with potential 5G cellular integration. If true, this would be a massive leap forward. By leveraging cellular networks, the Lito X1 could theoretically offer unlimited range, BVLOS, eliminating the connection drops that plague current Wi-Fi-based drones. For content creators, this means flying behind obstacles or over longer distances without fear of losing the video feed. That new X1 drone is coming, and the ultralight drone weight under 249 g has been clearly mentioned. In the packaging, you can see the exact DJI Lito X1 Fly More Combo Plus DJI RC2. Contents. So here we're going to break down all the set of information which is available to us specific related to the DJI Lito X1 drone. So let's explore the X1 in detail to us specific related to the DJI Lito X1 drone. So let's have a look at it in detail. So with this official retail packaging box, we're getting the clearest set of information possible for the Lito X1 drone that also confirms that retail boxes are ready and will reach the retailers very soon. So after the DJI Pocket 4 camera announcement, most probably very soon, we will have the drones from DJI. The most important detail visible on the packaging is the clear Ultra Ledger, French for ultralight, branding. So what we can see right now is that this particular term is being used by DJI for referencing ultra-lightweight drones, specifically those that fall under 249G, and this specific text does confirm to us that the Lito X1 will fall under the same ultra-lightweight category of under 249G drones. Business advantage generally for having an ultra-lightweight drone, the combination of confirmed ultra-lightweight under 249G and the premium DJI RC2 controller in the Fly More Combo Plus makes the Lito X1 look like an extremely travel-friendly yet pro-level drone. It should appeal strongly to vloggers, travel photographers, and anyone wanting high-quality aerial footage without heavy regulatory hurdles. While the box does not list full camera specs, flight time, or sensor details, those will likely appear closer to launch. These official packaging images give us the strongest real-world confirmation of the drone's positioning yet. Stay tuned for more DJI Lito X1 updates. These retail box leaks follow closely on the heels of earlier product images and continue to build excitement for the DJI Lito X1 and Lito 1 lineup. We expect full specifications, pricing, and official announcement very soon at SO. If you're following our website, then you do know that DJI has cleared the Lito and Lito X1 registration before the ban took place. And these two sub-250 drones are ready to be sold in the United States of America. Those media publications who are claiming that the DJI Avata 360 is the last drone that DJI has cleared in the FCC listing were not correct, and that's why we have not added any input to that claim. Since we do know that the Lito 1 and the Lito X1 are still in the company's announcement pipeline. These two clean product images of the DJI Lito 1 and DJI Lito X1 are the strongest confirmation yet that DJI's next compact drones are basically ready for prime time. We'll continue updating this page as more details emerge. Pricing bundles, exact camera specs, and full comparison tables will follow. In the meantime, drop your thoughts in the comments. Will you be upgrading from your current Mini to the new Lito series? Which model are you leaning toward? The budget Lito 1 or the feature-packed Lito X1? DJI Lito 1 and the DJI Lito X1 are the two drones that are already registered in FCC ID and are expected around the second and third quarter of 2026. These are the entry-level drones set to be the direct replacement of the existing DJI Mini 4K and DJI Mini 5 Pro. Now, before writing this article, we have done cross-verification across multiple sources, which confirmed a lot of things related to the Lito 1 and the Lito X1 are the drones. And guess what? We also have an exact timeline when these are coming. So we're going to discuss the details in detail. Let's jump into the content. DJI Lito X1 variants. Lito X1 versus Lito 1. Initially, it started with FCC ID leaks, which confirmed the arrival of the Lito series in the United States of America. Some specific components of Lito action drones were also leaked. And yes, these parts make us sure, yes, they're the drones which come under the Lito branding. Well, it may be DJI's strategy. They could have leaked it intentionally to create pre-announcement buzz about which product is actually coming under the branding of Lito. The design might look a bit different from what you'd expect because the handle being held in the leaked images isn't the final version. DJI still needs to complete the internal wiring in that section, and the drone motors will be attached right at the very end of the arms. Right now, this is essentially a modular shell/prototype of the Lito X1. Early development hardware focused on form and fit. That's why it appears slightly different from the DJI Mini 4K. This is completely normal in the drone development process. DJI Lito X1 variants. Lito X1 versus Lito 1. Now we have technically two different drones coming, and it's already a lot of data to prove that yes, these are two drones only and nothing else. Many Asian websites started listing the Lito X1 drone even on their web pages that FCC registrations roll in timeline. The FCC approved IDSS-3 DGP-14 on November 27, 2025. FCC rules permit confidentiality up to 180 days or shorter, e.g., 120 days, for sensitive info like photos and manuals. A 180-day period ends May 25, 2026. A 120-day period ends March 27, 2026. The article DJI Lito 1 and X1 drone. Release date, specs, price, variants, and latest leaks. 2026 update was written by the newcamera.com team on 4:21 p.m. Friday, January 30th, 2026, Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. You can also follow us on our official social media handles Facebook, Twitter, Instagram to get live news. DJI Rumors.